How to check Snapchat notification sound settings. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check Snapchat notification sound settings. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for Snapchat. If there are updates available, then update the app. If not, then go back to your home page and open Snapchat. In Snapchat, you will land to the recording page. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner to go to your profile section. From your profile section, tap on Setting Gear icon at the top right corner. In your settings, scroll down. Under the section My Account, you should see an option called Notifications. Click on it. Inside Notifications, there are various options like this. There are different sounds for each notification type, which you can see right here. Now go back and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the bottom and select Apps. Inside Apps, search for Snapchat. Now go to the option Notifications. From here also you can see your notification sound. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.